Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video, we try to create one more charting scanner, which finding you inside Camarilla. And it's not about the inside Camarilla. The price where it is not broken the R4 and S4 for last 3 days. So that may be maybe it is trading inside between the R4 and S4, and if it is breaks after that particular period, so what is going to happen, that we are going to discuss. If any stock which breaks the Camarilla R4, most of the time it reverse, it continue the trend on the R4 breakout, or it continue the trend on S4. But here in this case, this broken S4, and this particular day is broken R4, again broken S4, and here it breaks S4, and it is giving you such a good movement. So after a consolidation, or after trading in R4 and S4 breakout without breaking the R4 and S4, we try to find some stocks like that, whether it is going to give you good movement or not. So in this case, what type of scanners which you are going to plan in this video? So last 3 days, for example, the day 1 and the day 2 and the day 3. So all 3 consecutive days, the R4 and the S4 is not broken in any of the day. So this is an R4 is not broken, and this particular day and previous day also. So consecutive 3 days, the stock which is trading in between the R4 and S4 range of the particular day. So here also S4 is not broken, the day 1 and day 2 and the day 3. So in 3 consecutive days, stock which is not either breaks the R4, or either it not breaks the S4 level in a particular 3 days range. And after that, there is a breakdown on the fourth day. So that's maybe some good drop in this particular stock. So maybe such a kind of stock we are trying to find out with this scanner. After that, it was giving you such a big drop, and such a kind of stocks we are trying to find it out with this scanner which we are going to create under charting. Okay, so we already create a custom indicator that will help you to find out very quickly in Camarilla support and resistance levels. And some of the stocks also forming such a pattern like Scient. This is also happening something like that. But after that, after that 3 consecutive days, if it is not broken the level, so here is the one more day. So day 1, day 2 and day 3. In this case, it's broken here, and after a few days later, it was giving you some good downside movement. So such a kind of stocks we are trying to find out with this particular scanner. So maybe some stocks which are recent, Adani Green, that is also forming a such a pattern. Maybe from this one as a day 1 and day 2, day 3 and day 4 it is broken, and it was moving slightly lower. Maybe we try to watch what is going to happen. So but the condition is how we can try to create this scanner. So we have already custom indicator, just going with the charting. So this I will be sharing on our premium group. So because this is a custom indicator scanner, so I will be sharing that into our group also. Okay, so Camarilla resistance 4 and support 4 is our key. So we have to find out the high of this particular day. It must be less than Camarilla resistance 4. That means 1 day ago. Okay, so this will find it out today, and something like that 3 consecutive days. Okay, so 1 day ago and 2 days ago, and here it is 2 days ago and 3 days ago. So this will fetch you a stock. It never breaks the R4 for last 3 days. So let me check randomly JSL or Glenmark. 3 consecutive days is never broken the R4. So that is what the condition which as of now we created. And another one, so the low of that particular day should be greater than support 4. Sorry, support 4, it should be 1 day ago. So here we to copy this, and 2 days ago, here it should be 1 day ago, and again you copy this, here it should be 3 days ago, focus 3 days. Okay, so this will help you to fetch a stock which forming a such a pattern in a particular day where high and low which broken, sorry, high and low which is inside the Camarilla resistance 4 and the support 4. Let me try to check any stock which forming such a pattern. Okay, today it's showing you Siemens. Let me check whether meeting the condition. Yeah, if you're comparing last 3 consecutive days, the stock it doesn't break either R4 level or S4 level of this particular day. So the day 1, 2 and 3, and both these levels are not broken, and the price is very tightening and narrowing. Maybe tomorrow R4 or S4 we can look for those stocks if it's not consecutively broken the levels, the resistance and support levels for 3 consecutive days. So let me save the scan and we'll try to find the back test. So here, so we have a few number of stocks that may be good, and let me randomly check here. There is a huge list. Adani End 37. Let me go for Adani End that we have seen in this video and earlier. So this one which you have seen. So 1, 2, 3 consecutive days it not broken, and the fourth day it broken and it was giving you huge downwards. And the one more thing. So 3 consecutive day doesn't uh, break the level 1, 2, 3, and fourth day it broken, and next day itself it moves back big down. So where we can keep a stop loss, maybe the reversal of that opposite level, either R4 or S4, which we can. So you can develop a strategy. This video is purely for a scanner and screeners purpose only. So we are not teaching any stock recommendations here. And the Canara Bank, which forms the pattern, and 1 day before, let me see. Maybe you can check it how it works. The day 1, 2, and 3, fourth day it broke in the support, and still it was giving you some good movement. So maybe what should be the gap between the support and resistance is around 1.8%, where we can see it gives you more than 3%. So that you can decide what should be the stop loss or target. Resistance, one more stop is forming a such a pattern. So the day 1, 2, 3. In this case, it broken, but that doesn't give you a bigger movement. So, but still, it down by 5,000 level. So let me check from this support and resistance. The gap is around 2.48%, and maximum it came down to 1.6, and finally it was reaching your stop in this case. Okay, so that you can develop a strategy, but this may be an idea where we find out 3 consecutive days. Glenmark on 16/7. Yeah, the day first candle is broken, we didn't consider. If you didn't consider this, so 5 consecutive days, 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth day by the opening candle. So we didn't consider in the first 15 minutes, and fifth day, fourth and fifth and sixth, almost 6 consecutive days. It was inside between the R4, and after that, almost seventh day it broken, and it was still it is lower than the breakdown point. So it never reaches to the top, and still it is lower. So you maybe build a strategy how it works, but this is a point where we can easily find out a stock which is completely 3 days inside, or 3 days not broken the R4 and S4 level. It will be finding out, and after that you can build a strategy from this filtered stocks. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional strategies, scanners and screeners. Thank you so much. If you are really interested to know more about our premium scanners group, so where you can access all my premium scanners which you have already created, and what are the scanners which you are going to create in future, that is also going to be updated on the Telegram group only. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you.